Hi everyone, I'm here at UP Town Centre to try out the Globe Go Wi-Fi, and this is something that's been around for a while, but it's only last night that they actually announced they're going to roll it out to a lot more locations. So I want to show you what Go Wi-Fi is and what it can do for you. And just to give you an idea of what my setup is right now, I'm here at St. Mark's Coffee Shop in UP Town Centre. I have my laptop here. I'm going to record the screen and myself at the same time, and then I'll edit it together later. So let's go ahead and try this out. So when you look for Wi-Fi points, you'll see one which says Ayala Malls Go Wi-Fi, but that will vary because I think they're also going to roll it out to other locations like 7-Eleven. Once you connect, you'll be given a pop-up like this or something similar, and it basically says welcome to UP Town Centre. Of course, that will vary on your location, and then get connected. So depending on how the location is set up, it might ask you for a cell phone number, or it might just let you get reconnected automatically. Now you can see it remembered my phone number from when I was last here, and it's given me 60 minutes. So if I click get connected, that will set me up and let me start surfing the web. Now I know what you're probably thinking. Public Wi-Fi sucks because there's too many people using it, there's not enough bandwidth. Well, Globe are using fiber at all of their Go Wi-Fi locations, so it's super fast. So let's do a speed test and try that out. So there you go, you see we've got a ping time of just 4 milliseconds and our download speed is going over 100 Mbps. There you go, we've just topped over 150, 160, so the speed is going to be absolutely amazing because of course it's fiber. Although that's only to their local data center. Once you start going outside of the country, you're not going to see those kind of speeds. And likewise, you can see our upload is 80 plus Mbps, which means you could actually do live streaming from this location if you wanted to. Now the fact that we're getting these speeds over Wi-Fi gives us an idea that they are using decent hardware for the Wi-Fi, otherwise we wouldn't be hitting those kind of download and upload speeds. Now let's try download a file from the web. I'm going to use CacheFly, who are a content delivery network, and we'll see what kind of speed we can get. And I am using a multi-threaded downloader. So we're currently hitting 2.4 MB a sec, 5 megasec. Now this is megabyte, not megabit. 5 megabyte a second, 6 megabyte a second. So the speed is pretty amazing. But again, once you start hitting servers in the US, in the UK, in Europe, and other places, you're not going to see quite as fast speeds. So there you go, you can see I downloaded a 100 meg file in a matter of seconds, so it is really fast because it is Globe Fiber. Now another cool thing about the Go Wi-Fi is that Globe have teamed up with YouTube to do the YouTube Accelerated, which is where they keep a local cache of the 100,000 most popular videos on YouTube, and then they play them from local servers instead of having to stream them from, YouTube servers. So your YouTube experience can be greatly improved. So if you look at this video here, switching to Samsung Galaxy S7, you can see it's got this special icon down here. That means it's accelerated. So if I click that, watch what happens. The video loads instantly and you see we've got a green bar here, and if I click ahead it instantly jumps because this is being served from a local server. But the thing is, it's only 360p. It's not available in the higher formats. Like if I click 720, it then has to download it as a regular video, which is still pretty fast because we're using fiber internet, but it's not as fast as the YouTube Accelerated. Now as a true test of the speed of Globe Fiber, let's try open a 4K video on YouTube and see if it can handle that. So it's currently set to 4K, good. Let's see how long it takes to buffer and load the video. Okay, so it's buffering ahead a little bit. You can see it has to keep loading data every now and then. It's not super fast, especially when this is meant to be like 100, 200 Mbps. This isn't the kind of speed you'd expect, right? You'd expect a little bit more. And this brings us back to the point that although you can get those speeds inside the Philippines because it's just a piece of fiber run from one location to Globe's data center, as soon as it actually goes abroad where most servers are actually hosted, that's when you start hitting like major speed problems. Okay, so let's try a server in London and see what kind of speed we can get. Okay, so a ping time of 277 milliseconds, which isn't great. Our download speed is okay. I mean, we're hitting, 15 Mbps, but locally we were hitting 100, 200, so big difference. Let's see what our upload is like. Okay, so we're hitting 3, 5, 6, we'll probably hit around 10, I guess. And this highlights the problem with fiber in general in the Philippines. Yes, you can get these amazing speeds, but unless you're hitting local servers, it doesn't really matter. Now, you saw earlier that your Wi-Fi is limited to a 60-minute session. If you disconnect your Wi-Fi, your time will be paused, and when you reconnect, your time continues. So let's try that now. So just like earlier, a pop-up comes up and you have to log in to resume your session. So let's click Get Connected. And you can see you still have at least 35 minutes of internet connection. But the thing is, the way that they track you and how much time you have left is based on the MAC address, which is like a unique hardware address of your Wi-Fi. And you can just change that very easily and then get another 60 minutes. So I'll show you that now just as an example. So on a Mac, it's very easy to change this unique hardware ID. Just one command in the terminal and I can change it. So let's submit this and now reconnect to Ayala Mall. So this time when we click Get Connected, it should think we're a brand new device and give us another 60 minutes. So you can see it's asking us to log in with a mobile number, which is a requirement whenever you connect with a new device. So I'll put in my number, get my code, and then see if it gives us another 60 minutes. And there you go, you can use Globe Go Wi-Fi free trial for 60 minutes. So just like that, you can renew and renew and renew, and you could stay connected all day if you wanted to. So if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.